Welcome guys, welcome back. And in today's video I'm going to be taking us on how to make a logo. All right, so first thing we're going to do, I'm going to take the square shape. Okay, all right, then I will so I'm going to duplicate this by going to take a copy, this copy. All right, so I have two of these now. Sorry, then I'm going to bring it down here. Okay, then I'm going to bring cycle. You can either bring cycle by clicking on this place, taking this, or you can as well just take your normal square, take the radius to 100, then it becomes a cycle. All right, then I'm going to place it here. Then I'm changing the color to black. So I have it here. Then I'm changing this one to black as well. When you click color and enable it, the first color that comes up is red. I think that is the default color of in the app, but you scroll through the palette to choose the color you want. Then I take black again, place this one here. Then I'm going to take cycle again, go to shapes, take the radius to 100. Then I have this. So I have two of these cycle, white and black. All right, so I'm placing this one here. Okay, now I'm going to match the black color, the black cycle with the white cycle, so I can erase the color. Okay, so this is the black cycle, this is the white cycle, so I'm going to match them together. Now they are in one frame here, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to erase color, this here. All right, so this is what I want to use. The other one was not relevant, so that's why I removed it. So I'm going to place this guy right here. Okay, but I'm still going to erase the color. I'm going to take another shape. This time I'm taking the square. Okay, let me take it to cycle. Okay, so I'm going to merge them together also. Then I will erase the color. Okay, I'm taking the tolerance to 70. Now I'm placing this guy right here. Okay, then I will duplicate this, make a copy of it, rotate it, bring it here. Okay, so just try to align them together until it forms the M letter you want to write. So I'm going to bring another square. Okay, I want to erase the excess of this. Okay, so I'm just placing it. I'll try to align it. All right, so I will merge it together. I'll merge them together, then erase color. Whenever you erase color, make sure this tolerance is at the maximum. Okay, so I'm going to merge everything together now, everything, so that it will become one. Now I have this. All right, the next thing is to bring my cycle. I'm taking this, I'm changing the color to black. Okay, I'll still bring another cycle and I'll place it here. Okay, let me bring it here so that I'll see what I'm doing. Okay, now I will merge together the black and white cycle, then I'll erase color. Take tolerance to 70. So this is it. Okay, all right, so I'm going to add some little drama here. I want to make it look like this this guy here is coming out of the cycle, so there should be a space there. Okay, okay, still doing it. I don't want it to be much. All right, so I will merge it together. I'm merging the cycle and the other guy together. All right, so I will erase color, take tolerance to 70, then yeah, I have it here. So I'll try to align them together. Let me make this one smaller. Together. No. All right. So now the reason why I'm doing this is so that whatever color I bring, whatever external color I bring into this design will stay. Otherwise, you will be forced to use the colors in the app. Okay, it's very simple. Just bring a square, turn the color to black, then place it here. Just reduce it very well. Reduce it, merge it together with this. That's all. Okay, I'm still trying to align this guy. Okay, so I'll merge everything together now. Then I want to import the color I want to use on it. To do that, go to texture. All right, then click here. This is the color I want. Okay, enable ratio. Now I want to bring the background I want to use, which is go to from gallery. I'm still going to where I have my stuffs. Then I'm using this background here. Crop out any part you don't want before you check mark. Okay, so you can see that this background is covering the main logo. So to take it to the back, click here to back. Okay, this one is to front if you want to take anything to front. Okay, now I'm taking it to the back. You see the logo is here. All right, now I will write the company name. To do that, click on the plus icon, sorry, then click on text, then click on this letter A after that, this A, then click on edit, write Mirabella. Okay, then I'm going to use another font. To do that, click on this slide and click on this AB font. So I'm going to import my picture on the Mirabella. You can either choose to use a background color you downloaded, or you could choose to use from this place here. All right, but I want to use from the background color I downloaded, which is this same color with the logo. Okay, I will enable maintain ratio. So I'm going to merge everything together, the logo and the company name. But first I want to make sure they are at the middle. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to merge together except the background. All right, so I'm going to 3D shape, reducing depth. Okay, I'll darken this a bit. No, then I'll go to emboss. So that's all. Sorry, to save, you're going to click here. All right, so you either save as a project so that you can come back to edit it, or you could save to your gallery. Alright guys, that's it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching.